Hi, my name is Kumar Akash, and for my data visualization project, I have taken the dataset of homicide from the United States. The data is from the year 1980 to 2014, and the data set has around half a million rows with 24 attributes such as month, day, month, year, and victim sex. Some new variables were created like decade, year was converted into decade, and victim age was converted into victim age range. So I have done total 6 case study on this. So I will move to my first case study, which is about weapons. So from this backpack bubble chart we can see that maximum used weapon was handgun, and after that was firearms. And the next case study is year wise weapon use. So here we can see that, as we saw in the last graph, that handgun was the most used throughout the years, and its maximum usage was in the year 2007, and for firearms it was in the 2010. And next case study is perpetrator sex versus weapon use. So here we want to see if there is a relationship between the weapon used and the sex of the offender. So here we can see that here also handgun was the main used for male, and the second was knife. And in case of females, it was almost equal for handgun and knife. And the third for male, it was firearms, whereas in case of female, it was blunt objects. And a dashboard was created for the same using the case studies. So next case study is about months. So this bar graph shows that July was the most of the incidents happened in the month of July, and we can see a drop in the month of February, but it can be because of February has 2 less days, because the data is taken from the line 1980 to 2014. So it might be just a case of uh, having less number of days. Otherwise the pattern is almost same across the year. Next case study is month wise victim sex. So we want to see if there is a pattern in the victim sex and month wise incident happen. So we can see that though no, there is no such relationship, as the uh, pattern for male and female remains the same. And next is month wise victim age range. So here we have want to see that is there a relationship between age range, victim age range, and the month. So yeah, we can see that August is the most uh, in the month of August most of the incident happened with the victim age range from 21 to 30, while for others it was July, as we have seen in the earlier graphs. So I'll move to the my next case study, which is about age. So here we can see that uh, which age group used which weapon. So here handgun was used maximum usage, had its maximum usage, and the second one was the age range from 11 to 20, and that's alarming. So we have done a further investigation to find out if whether people below 18 are using firearms. So here we can see that yeah, people below 18 are using uh, firearms, which is illegal because the legal age in United States is minimum is 18 years. So next case study is age range wise, age year wise victim age range. So here also we can see that maximum the pattern remains the same for the age group 21 to 30. And next case study, dashboard was created for the same. Now moving on to the next case study, which is about victim. So here we have done a victim sex versus relationship, who killed whom. So here we can see that uh, different relationship wise their counts. And the next case study is perpetrator versus victim sex. So we can see that male killed male was maximum, male killing female was second highest, and likewise a dashboard was created for the same. The next case study is about location wise. So here we can see that maximum incident happened in the states of Florida, followed by United New York, and a city-wise analysis was also done, and it was found that New York was the had highest number of such incidents, and a dashboard was created for the same. And the last case study is based on race. So here we can see that perpetrator race. So here the maximum cases were, in cases it was black, and for victim race if we go to see, it is again black. And if the third analysis is about age versus, is there a relationship between age range and race of the victim. So we can see that it remains the same. Maximum cases were observed in black and then followed by white. So these were and a dashboard was created for the same. These were my analysis for my project. Thank you.